Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Alright, so today I'm going to share my recipe of curry stew. We have our chicken washed and seasoned. I like to wash my chicken in a little lime juice and rinse under running water. And we're going to season and allow to marinate. So we're going to start with pimento, garlic, thyme, onion, Chadon Beni, celery, salt to taste, and black pepper 1 tablespoon. Clove, 1 bay leaf. Now we mix and allow to marinate for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator. So now we're going to stew our curry chicken. The good part about this dish is that we get the best of 2 dishes, curry and stew. I think traditionally, locally, a lot of people like curry and a lot of people like stew. So we're gonna stew our chicken, our curry seasoned chicken. Add oil, add in our brown sugar now. Allow the brown sugar to caramelize. First, before we add the chicken. What we're looking for when caramelizing the sugar, you're looking for color. You want to add the meat right after the chicken turns from light brown to this dark color, but not black. We add our chicken, we lower the heat, stir, add our habanero pepper, cover and let cook for 30 minutes. Alright, so now that we have our chicken was cooking for the past 30 minutes, we're going to uncover and check liquid amount. We add a little bit if we need. I think it needs a little bit. And we cover to cook for a further 30 minutes.